Hello and welcome to another update video about CRO. Cronos is also following the analysis. Even though it really tested our patience here, it has now moved out of our trend reversal area and is on its way higher. The sort of lower degree wave structure is a little bit unclear to me. It could also still be a correction, so you never know that 100%, right? And that's where trading skills and tactics come into play. But for now, the overall trend is up. Yeah, it has been up since we turned around here in our trend reversal area. Well, actually, it has been up since end of December, since we've been tracking this impulse. We then came back in the ABC correction, bottomed here in our trend reversal area in green, rallied higher, came back again in an ABC correction in a wave 2, highlighted here in yellow, where we bottomed at around 6.5 cents. And since then, again, another 1-2 setup, and we could now be in a third wave rally. Even though here, this might be another 1-2 setup, right? It's a little bit unclear, the lower degree wave structure. What you need to know is that we can focus on higher as long as this wave 2 low is holding, and that is at 6.6 cents. And let's talk about the minimum targets here for those waves. So the target for the third wave is minimum target, is 7.38 cents. And then you will get a shallow wave 4 correction ideally, and the wave 5 ideal target would be 7.8, 7.9 cents. That's just sort of the ideal structure. Again, I'm very honest here, it's a bit unclear what this lower degree structure is. But for now, we turned around where it needed to turn around, right? It broke above our trend line. I think we talked about that in the previous video. It's retested it successfully, and it's now on its way higher. It's gaining in dynamics. So, and that's where trading tactics come into play, really. It's never, it moved up quite a bit already since this trend reversal area. Again, wherever you entered, if you used this for trading, even if you just entered at the top, it would be a 4% profit, right? Just spot. If you have any leverage or something, it will, of course, be higher. And within a few days, that's actually quite a decent return, yeah. It never really seems like that, but 4% is quite big for a few days, especially if you're leveraged. But ideally, it's pushing higher, of course, right? But of course, you can never rule out that it will come back again, retesting the yellow support area. And from my experience, it's never wrong to take a few profits along the way. Now, I can't tell you to do it because that's an individual decision. And also, I would never take everything off the table, but taking partial profits along the way is never a bad idea. But I'm not doing that yet. I also entered, I think I did enter actually here somewhere. We need to look it up again. I did. Still have my trade open, not touched it because I'm waiting for that wave 3, which should eventually push much higher. Don't get me wrong. If this is really correct, this assumption, then we also have this larger 1-2 setup. And here the target is 10 or 11 cents as a minimum, yeah. And eventually it should also push higher. So yeah, for me, there is not much more to add, but we start to see a little bit of a few life signs of CRO, which is good. It's a very choppy structure, but nevertheless, it should also follow other coins on the way to the upside. And as long as that support level that I highlighted to you is holding, the focus can be on higher. All right, that's my update about CRO. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.